Hello, and welcome back to Burdu channel. In this video, we're going to learn how to add testimonials to your website to help increase your sales. Testimonials are one of the most powerful forms of social proof. They help build trust and convince potential customers to buy your products or services. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to the Burdu channel, hit the like button below, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. From your Burdu website dashboard, go to the left sidebar and click Layout. You can add these testimonials to your homepage or your custom pages. Now click Add section and choose the Testimonials/Review section. Click Done first, then drag this testimonials section to whatever you want. Now click on Settings icon. You'll see a few testimonials already added to your account. You can add, edit, or delete them. Let's start with the Design section. Here, you'll see several layout options you can choose from, like Basic, Chat, or Simple. Just pick the one that fits your needs or matches your website's theme. For example, let's go with the basic layout first. Don't worry, each design can be customized later. Now let's focus on the design settings. In this panel, you can adjust the background color, star color, and outline. Below that, you can tweak things like alignment, number of columns, layout, and shadow. You can also adjust the gap between each testimonial card, the corner radius, outline thickness, and padding. In the Name section, you can change the font style, size, and spacing. For the customer's photo, you can add shadow, adjust the size, radius, and outline. Then, under Content, you can customize the review text, like alignment, font type, and font size. You can also add quote marks if you want, like this. But for now, I'll turn it off. For the stars, you can decide whether they appear at the top of the name, bottom of the name, top of the content, or bottom of the content. You can even change the star icon, either pick one from the library or upload your own. And of course, you can change the star color to match your website theme. Finally, you can adjust the star size, gap, and margin. Now let's move on to Curtain. This controls the spacing at the top and bottom of the section. Just adjust the padding as needed. Once that's done, let's go back to the Content menu and edit each testimonial card. Click the settings on any testimonial. Here you can change the customer's name, photo, and their review text. If you don't want to use a photo, just remove it. Or you can upload your own photo. Here's an example of how it looks. Once you're happy with this, click Done and edit the second and third testimonials the same way. If you want to add more, just click Add section and set it up like the first one. To delete, simply click the X icon. When you're finished, click Done, then Save, and let's preview the page. Like this video, leave a comment below if you have any questions, and subscribe to the Burdu channel for more step-by-step guides. Also, follow us on social media for more great content. See you!